So hey guys, welcome back once again. So this is arcade event, and we will continue our practitioner program. And this is the last chance to get some swag from this arcade. And I haven't completed any of this arcade event. No, not any trivia. I mean, there December, October, nothing. Just this is the last chance. So I want to do this one, this October trivia. And these patches are very essential to claim the prizes, but I have no any of these patches in my Qwiklabs account because I was little bit busy, but some guys have I think almost many of you have already on this patches, so that's good, that's great. You will get lots of prizes. I mean you will get lots of prizes. Okay, so today if anyone want to get at least one prize among this cap, this organizer diary or zipper, so you can complete this December trivia, this December trivia, and you can start, you can start from today. So first step, make sure you have activated your account. So click this activate button, and you have to type your email ID, and you have to click subscribe. So once you complete that step, so once you complete this step, you will see something message like this. So once visit your email and make sure you have received the mail. So once it is done, so we are ready to start arcade event. So here is the link. So I'll put this link in the description. You can see there is a play button next to this December Trivia 22, or you can go with this link and click this enroll button, and let me sign in here. Okay, so you can see that we have got this message, you have successfully enrolled to this Trivia December 22. So that's great. Now let's go back, and in the home tab you can see this September trivia is still I haven't completed anything, and November trivia is still pending, and I cannot complete it because I missed the week lab. So there is no chance to complete it. So we will start our Qwiklabs December trivia. Okay, so first of all we have to complete this week 1. So this is very important. You can complete this lab anytime, but if you miss this week 1, then it will be useless to complete this batch, or you cannot take this batch anymore. So it is very important to get this week, I mean quiz ready, and it is very simple, it doesn't take lots of time. You have to just spend 3 to 4 minutes, at least 3 minutes. So first answer will be this one, click submit, and for the second one it will be destroy, and for the third one it will be create flow, and for the fourth one it will be BigQuery. That's it. So let's wait a little bit. Okay, so what price I'm talking about? Once you complete this December trivia batch, you will receive a batch inside your public account, just next to this one. You can see here after you complete, and let me show you some price list. So this is the prices, everyone know about this. One batch equal 1 point. No, that's very simple. So if you are inside, okay, so we are, so I'm basically inside this category 1 to 5 point. So if I have one, at least 1 point, I can purchase this anyone from this 3 goodies. So I will just collect this cap. I have this organizer and this zipper also, so I will go with this cap one. No, so I'm just doing this lab to get at least 1 point so that I can get anything from this 3 option. But if you have multiple points, you can get higher price, premium price. see this, and this is premium plus. This the black bottle something like this is a little bit good, so but you need 11, at least 11 point. Just but I'm just doing this one for to get at least one prize. So we will complete only this December trivia, no, and we will get 1 point, and we can get this prize from the I mean we can get this prize from this event. So that's all the information, and there is still two more batches point can be collected from this batch, so don't worry. See this how many batches I have missed. Yeah, I was a little bit busy, so there I didn't get lots of time to collect this one. No problem, this event will again start, then there will start it anyway. So we have, what is this, live is ended or what? Okay, let me check. Let's go to the week 1. Okay, it is running, so this is just 3 minutes. Let's wait 1 to 2 minutes more. 1 2 minutes more, no, so let's wait a little bit. So once it is done, we can start the rest of the lab, and let me refresh here a little bit. Okay, this is 26, I think 24 minutes past now. Okay, so let's wait 1 minute more. Okay, so let's in this lab, click this in lab button, click submit, and give 5-star rating. That's it. Now go back, go to the home section, and where is December trivia, Qwiklabs December trivia, here it is. Click continue button, and yeah, so this is done. Now I can start doing the rest of the labs. So let's go for the first one. Go close this one. I'll just put a link in the description, just check it out. Okay, let me start this lab quickly. Okay, so here is a little bit problem. We need a credit for this lab to do, and I have only 1 credit. So now what I will do, I will just manage some credit from my other account. I will transfer some credit to this account so that I can complete this lab. So let me transfer some credit from my other account, then I can start this lab. Okay guys, so here is 4 credit now available to me, and I have transferred 3 credit from one of my account. Okay, so I can start. Okay, so let's go to the home, and go to the trivia December. I need to record 4 credit, so I just transfer 3 credit only. So I have now 4 credit. Okay, so let's start from the first lab. Managing tetraform state, click start lab button, and we have to sign in quickly. So let me do this work. Okay, click with 1 credit. So there is only 3 credit are left. No problem, we have to complete this lab anyhow, otherwise our credit will be expired. No, so we will lose our 1 credit. Okay, so we are ready. Now let's go to the tax 1. Where is the tax 1? Setup and requirement. First we have to start the lab, then we have to activate the cloud cell. So let's activate it. Okay, so this is our cloud cell and it is ready. Now copy this code, G cloud authorize, paste it there and click authorize. That's it. Now go to the tax 1, and in the cloud cell we have to create a file. So paste this code to create a file. Okay, so file is created. Now we need or Qwiklab ID. Yeah, this one same. Now what next? We have to open the editor. Okay, so click this button, it will open on the editor. So let's wait a little bit, it will take some time I think. Okay, no problem, just give whatever it asks and stay on this window. It will take some little bit time, so just wait. Okay, so our editor is ready. You can see there is a file called main and there is a readme file. Okay, so once it is ready, you have to copy this code and open this main.tf file and just wait. Okay, so once we copy this file, paste it here, and we have to make some change. Copy this project ID and replace here, and also replace here. This is a bucket name and this is a project ID. Okay, so once it is done, now we scroll down and copy this code and paste it at the bottom. Okay, good. And okay, that's it. Now we have to save this file, so let's save this thing. Just internet is very slow, so I'm saving it multiple time. Okay, so once it is saved, now copy and paste this code here. It will work. Yeah, copy and paste this thing once again. Okay, so for the value you have to type here yes, so just type yes and press enter key. That's it. The bucket name validation field. Okay, open this editor. Okay, remove this hash sign. Wait little bit. Okay, remove this hash sign too from both the place. Don't put any hash sign. And now save this file once again. Click save all. That's it. Now open this terminal and again we'll run this code from the beginning. So let's run it. And the second code, and type yes and press enter key. That's it. Now it is working perfect. And the cloud selectors will display the okay, good. Now copy this code and paste it here. Okay, now add a cloud storage backend. Okay, so up to there everything is good. Now we can move to the next step. Navigate back to the main editor. Okay, so click this open editor and now replace the local backend with this backend. Okay, so where is the local? So copy this and replace here. Yeah, we need to replace. Okay, just copy this whole code and delete up to here and paste the new code. Just copy it from now and copy your project ID and remove this whole thing and paste it here. So that is good. Now save this file, save all. That's it, I think. Open this terminal and copy this code, paste it here, press enter, and let's see. Okay, so for the value we need to type yes and enter. Okay, so this is working. Click on your pocket and navigate to something. Okay, you can skip this step. It is done. Now what you have to do, you have to we have to go to the storage. Okay, we have to go to the storage, so meanwhile this one, and click the search bar, go to the cloud storage, open it. We have to change something, so it is important to open this cloud storage. Okay, so our cloud storage interface is ready. Now what you have to do, you have to click the level tab. So first select it. You can see this level permission delete tab will appear here at the top. So click this level tab, click add level, and key is equal to key, simple. So just type here key, and value is equal to value. So value equal value, value. Good. Now click save. All this key and value are in the lowercase. That's it. You can close this thing. Now copy this code, bring this cloud a little bit at the top, and run this code. Okay, now the second code. Okay, perfect. You can check our progress. That's it. So we have got our score, and we can in this lab. So this was super simple. No, I can sign it out. Just give this 5-star, close this window, and let's go back and see. Okay, so this is completed. We have just and we have already completed this one. So let's go for the third one, I mean the second lab. Let me start it. Alright, so we are ready. So let me scroll down a little bit. You have to activate the cloud shell, so let me activate it. So once the cloud shell is ready, we can move to the next step. Once activate, we will run this code. So just wait. Okay, so our cloud shell is ready. Now I will run this code to give authorization. That's it. Now let's go to the task 1. First we have to open data prep, so copy this and paste it there. Go with the first link. Just wait. It is under the analytics. Okay, so if you go inside this navigation menu, you can find this data prep in, just listed inside this analytics now, or you can search it there, same thing. Okay, select it, click accept, and just wait, check it, click agree and continue, allow everything. Okay, just do whatever it asks, click allow, and just wait, stay on this screen. Okay, so this is a new pop. It asks me to click leave or cancel, so click leave button, and you will ask to select your account, so select it, and then click allow, and just wait. select check radio button and checkbox and click accept and just wait. Just stay on the screen. Yeah, it is done. Click continue and that's it. Okay, officially not supported, no problem. So it is done now. It is ready. Okay, so our first task is completed. Now let's go to the task 2. We have to go to the cloud storage. Once click this link, keep this link open in separate window. Once again open this console window. There we will go to the cloud storage and note the data break pocket name we will use in the next step. Okay, so where is the name? So here is the name. So make sure you copy it and what you have to do, we need this cloud cell, so activate it. There will replace this name, so let's activate. Okay, click dismiss. Now first copy this code, paste it here and scroll down a little bit. You can close this and now copy this name and remove this instruction and paste it there and press enter and it is done. I think, yeah, it is done. You can check my progress, it is complete. Okay, now we can move to the task 3. Click create flow. Okay, we have to go to the data break, create flow. Just click this plus button and then name the flow. Okay, copy this text and click this untitled flow, paste it there, click OK. That's it. So this is a new name, and after that click plus under the dataset. So this is the dataset. Click this plus button, then click import. So here the import dataset button at the last, and then click cloud storage. This is the cloud storage and click this and then okay, the first one, just go with the first one and we have 4 files. Click plus and next to each file listed. Okay, so just click this plus button one by one. Okay, so this is done. Now click import. So just wait a little bit, let this import and flow button to be active, then we will click it. Okay, so this is now active, so click it and okay, so we need to wait a little bit. This will bring us to this dashboard. Okay, so this is here now. Now what next we have to do, you can, okay, so up to here this is the task 3. Now you can move to the task 4. To create a new recipe, we have to click plus icon next to the lab customer.csv. So it is here. Click this plus button and click add new recipe. Click add new recipe and then just the same option, right click on the new recipe node. Okay, so this is a new recipe node, so right click here and we have to go for edit name and description, and copy this name and paste it here. Okay, click OK. Okay, this is good. Now what we have to do, hit the blue recipe edit button. Okay, so this is blue button, so click it and double click the recipe node. Okay, so you can double click it or you can click that button, same thing. Once it is done, you can see something like this. Now what we have to do, scroll all the way to the right and start that column. Okay, just wait a few moments. Use this scroller bar, bring it to the right. Okay, so in the right we have to find a start date column. So here is a start date column. No, so this is a start date column, and what we have to do, using start and end date filter, add the transformation and remove the contacts from the list. Okay, so step 2 is to click the gray part of the data query from the start. Okay, so here is the gray part, so click it with the mouse arrow and then click add. So click this add button and now what we have to do, we have to go for the in data column. So start data, this is the in data, this one in data column. We have to click this gray button, so click it. You can see the black arrow and we have to select set missing, set value to null. Okay, this is the delete row, keep row. I think this is set one. No, so click it and click this edit button and copy this code for this is the formula and remove this one, paste this new formula, and then what next we have to do, we have to click add button and this is done, I think. So this is done. Now click to this Qwiklabs 1, then click lab 2013 transaction, and click plus icon, click this plus icon, add new recipe and rename that recipe to something like this one, on title recipe. Okay, so right click it, edit name, paste the new combined transaction and okay, double click it. You can double click or you can click edit recipe, same thing. So double click it and just wait here a little bit. You need to wait here now, so just wait. Okay, so this is ready. Now what we have to do, we have to click this icon. So this is the recipe icon, click it, add new step and in add new step you have to type union. So copy it, paste it here, union. Oh sorry, you cannot paste it there, you need to type there. So again click add step, union, click it. Okay, so once you click that one, click add data. Where is, here is add data button, so click it and then check lab 24 transaction check the 2014 transaction. We have to check this one. So check it and align by name, align by name, then click apply, and click add to recipe. So just wait. Now click this button at the top and it is done. Now we can move to the task 6. Click undo icon and redo icon. Okay, so we can skip this thing, undo and redo icon. In the recipe and right click in a step and choose edit. Okay, so let it ready. Yeah, this is ready. What we have to do, we have to right click union step. So this is union step. So right click it. You can see there is edit option. So click it now, and we have to select lab 2015. Again click add data, click this add data button and just wait a little bit and select 2015 transaction, align it by name, click apply. No, align it by name and apply, click add to receipt, click it. That's it. And okay, so up to here it is done. Click to Qwiklabs 1. Okay, so let it complete, and then go to the dashboard to see that this configuration is available or not. Okay, now click this Qwiklabs 1 at the top. Okay, so you can see this is the similar output. Okay, now we can move to the task 7. Now double click combined transaction. So this is the combined transaction, so double click it, and when it is open, click join button. Okay, so we have to click join button, so let it open quickly. So where is join button? Close this one icon, then we can see little bit. Yeah, this is join button, so click it. Now what we have to do, we have to click on lab customer. So click this lab customer and then click accept, and okay, we have to click on accept for task 4. On the next screen, due to the JSON key and condition on the left is fitness of the something like this. Optional you can edit the JSON key. Okay, you can skip this thing, you can click direct next button. So click next, and once it is click next, you can click review, click add to receipt. That's it. Okay, now we can move to the task 8. So let it complete first. Okay, so this is ready, and we can move to the task 8 now. So what we have to do, we have to find transaction date column. So this is a transaction date column, and extract date time year. So just use this arrow and scroll down a little bit. Here is extract option, and this is date time, this is year. So just click it. Okay, and click add, click this add button, and this is done. Now we have to rename this thing, copy this year transaction date, I think it is just next to this year transaction date. Click this rename button, and here in the new name field paste this name, activity year. click it, and I think it is done. Okay, now we can move to the task 9. We have to click run button, so click this run button at the right top, and once it is done, the run job configuration, just hover to mouse of existing publishing action. Okay, so here the publishing action, you have to click this edit button, and then choose BigQuery, choose this BigQuery option, then data prep, so select it there, create new table. Okay, so you have to create a table, so copy this is the name of the new table, create new table, and create new table, paste this name at the top, and append this table every run. Okay, append this table every run. Okay, so now you can click this update button, and this is done. Now you can click this run button, and it is completed. Okay, let's check our progress. Okay, we need to wait, so let this publishing task to finish, then you can check our progress. So let's wait. Okay, so job is completed, and I can check my progress, and it's done. So we have got total score, so I can submit this, and have a start. That's it. I can close this one, I can sign out. That's it. Okay, so finally we have completed our 1 2 3. So this is just for week 2, so we will do this one in the week 2. What I can do it is a little bit lengthy, no, but this is easy one, so we'll do it tomorrow. Okay, so thank you guys, see you in the next video. If you have any problem, just comment down, I will try to solve it. Okay, or you can just DM me in the Insta, you can talk there now. So thank you guys, see you soon.